The world's population is growing. We're already about 8 billion people, and almost 230,000 more are joining us day by day. Most of us already live in cities, and by 2050, it will be around 70% of the world's population. That's why cities are the ideal starting point for tackling some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Climate change, rising energy demand, and the protection of natural resources. But what's the key to preserving our common livelihoods today and tomorrow? How can we make life in urban communities livable for all residents? It's combining the real and digital worlds across the entire urban community's infrastructure. Connectivity enables the creation of smart ecosystems with a new energy landscape at their core. Intuitively responding to the needs of residents and changing requirements, smart urban communities make buildings more energy efficient and more comfortable for residents. They offer many opportunities for more economical use of energy and on-site renewable power generation. And taken together, smart urban communities transform the city. They help drive down energy consumption to tackle rising demand, improve infrastructure reliability and resilience, and promote environmentally friendly transport. That's how smart urban communities help us create more efficient, intelligent, nurturing, and sustainable urban areas where people love to live, work, and learn.